Hello, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to contact Offerup support. So what you want to do first is you want to open up the Offerup application. Now, once this is finished loading, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile picture image. Now, once that's finished loading, you want to scroll down. And then where it says Help Center, you want to click on Help Center under the Help category. Now, with contacting Offerup support, there's a variety of different articles here that you can read, which may help you out. So as you can see, they have 25 articles related to shipping, 21 articles related to different issues that people have with buying, and they have another 25 articles related to issues based on people selling. So there's a lot of different types of categories which they already have pre-made articles which might help you out. But in order to still contact Offerup support, you want to simply scroll all the way down, and then right here where it says can't find what you need, click here to contact us. You want to click here. Now you still have to choose a topic which will be categorized, but let's say that you have an issue, technical issue with browsing. So here you would actually fill out your name, your email, and description, and then submit the form, and then Offerup would actually reach back out to you. Now if you click on back, you can choose a different category to kind of categorize your issue. Let's say you have an issue with shipping on Offerup. Sometimes these are pre-made questions, okay? But if you have a technical issue where there's no pre-made answers to your problem, normally what I do is I just click on my account and then I click on other. And now this is basically just a general form that you can fill out based on your reason for contacting Offerup. So again, this tutorial is how to contact Offerup support.